Good morning, welcome. Thanks for clicking on Tequila Shari Torah's daily Halacha review for Thursday, August 4th. We're talking about laws and customs of Tisha B'Av. We're going to whiz through a bunch of these, hopefully, and cover a lot of ground because the fast is going to be observed after Shabbos, Saturday night, and through Sunday. Pregnant and nursing women should do as best they can to complete the fast, unless it's going to endanger their health. If anyone has a doubt, please speak to me, because this year, since the fast is pushed off a day, it is slightly more lenient in some cases. We're not on Tisha B'Av itself. None of us are supposed to wash ourselves, not in hot water, not in cold water. Even dipping the fingers in water is forbidden. We're talking about washing for pleasure. Of course, after one uses the washroom, the facilities, we're allowed to do that. Let's see. And if we get dirt on our hands, we can wash those off. Women who need to rinse foods that are going to cook are permitted to do so, because their purpose is not to wash the hands, it's to prepare the food. Although only bathing for pleasure is forbidden, we are careful. We also don't apply creams if done for pleasure, but a person has a medically prescribed need or other medical impetus to apply some kind of skin cream or lotion, they can do that. So applying cream or skin lotions or anything for pleasure, to feel better, is not permitted on this day, but for medically indicated purposes it is. Wearing shoes is forbidden if they're made of leather. Shoes made of cloth which don't have leather soles may be worn. People who have to go out into the world, which it's a Sunday, where nobody has to do anything, do leather shoes, but they do put something in the shoes to make themselves uncomfortable. It's forbidden to have marital relations on the night of Tisha B'Av. One should be strict about this. We do not greet each other with good morning or shalom aleichem or anything like that, as we do in the custom that we observe in the house of mourning. If an unlearned person or a non-Jew says hello to you, you're allowed to answer in a low voice, because you don't want them to be angry at you. We're also not supposed to send gifts on this day, because this is a form of greeting as well. Okay, let's see, maybe one or two more. No, a couple more, because we have quite a bit to go today and tomorrow. We should not stroll in public places. Some forbid smoking the entire day. It's our custom that any work requiring time, involvement, engagement, even for work for which no skill is required, is forbidden the night of Tisha B'Av and in the daytime until noon. We try to observe that again, since it's Sunday, should not be a problem. It's the custom not to sit on a bench or a chair, not at night, not in the day, until midday, but only to sit on the floor on a very low stool, as a mourner does. In the afternoon, it's permitted. Other things are forbidden. Other things that are forbidden remain so until Tzeisa Kochav, until the fast concludes with the appearance of the stars at 9:21 on Sunday evening. It's customary not to start preparing a meal before noon. If there's a bris, we spoke about it on a couple of occasions already. At Mincha, we will hopefully come together for a minyan for Mincha. Please let me know if you're available and interested in that. We put on talis and tefillin because we didn't put them on the morning. We say the bracha. We say the shir shal yom, the psalm for the day for Sunday, and anything else that we omitted in the Shachar service with the appropriate kaddishes for mourners. Then Ashrei and Chatzi Kaddish, we read the Torah and the Maftir as on any other public fast day. Then the Sefer Torah is placed back in the ark, and the Chazan says the half Kaddish, after which we say the Shemona Esrei. We insert Nachem, the special bracha, Nachem, God, please God, console, in the bracha Vili Yerushalayim, which we'll only say on Tisha B'Av. If you forgot to say it there, you can say it after Anenu. But you should not conclude the prayer with Baruch Menachem, but rather Ki Ata Shomeya. If you didn't realize until after you said the bracha Baruch Ata Hashem, you can conclude the bracha Shomeya Tefillah and continue praying according to the regular order. You don't have to repeat the Amidah. The Chazan, in the repetition of Shemona Esrei, will say Birchas Kohanim, and as on a fast day, and after the Shemona Esrei says the whole Kaddish with Tiskabel. After that, we take off the tefillin and we daven Ma'ariv. If the moon is shining, we can say Kiddush Levana when it's appropriate, again after 9:21. Okay, a few more things. We'll just leave those for tomorrow. Any questions, please be in touch. Hope to see everybody Shabbos, and we'll be in touch by this medium tomorrow, and hopefully see each other on Shabbos. Have a good week, a good day.